You can lose 2 out of 3 games at the World Cup and still advance. Finish third in your group, below 2 other teams, and still be standing when half the tournament packs up and goes home. That sounds like a typo. It isn't. It's the rule. And in 2026, it matters more than ever because this is the first World Cup where it happens on this scale. Here is exactly how it works. Here's the basic shape of a World Cup. Teams get split into groups of 4. Everyone plays everyone else once. 3 points for a win, 1 for a draw, 0 for a loss. Add it up, and the top 2 in each group move on to the knockout rounds. The bottom 2 go home. Simple, fair, brutal. Except in 2026, the bottom 2 aren't all going home. Some of them are coming with you. This World Cup has 48 teams, 12 groups of 4. That means 24 teams finish either first or second automatically. But the knockout rounds need 32 teams to fill the bracket. 24 isn't 32. FIFA needed 8 more teams from somewhere. And somewhere turned out to be third place. So 8 of the 12 third place teams get a second life. Not because they earned a top 2 spot, because compared to the other third place teams across the whole tournament, they were the least bad. Here's where it gets interesting. Your group result is no longer just about your group. Finish third, and your World Cup now depends on 12 different groups worth of football, most of it played by teams you've never even faced. You could lose your final game by 1 goal and still go through, because 3 other third-place teams across the tournament lost by more. Or you could finish third with a decent points total and still pack your bags, because 8 other teams did slightly better. Same scoreline on paper, completely different fate. And ranking those 8 isn't just about points. If teams are tied, FIFA goes to goal difference, then total goals scored, and only if absolutely necessary, disciplinary record, fewer yellow and red cards. So yes, technically, a team can qualify for the knockout stage partly because they committed fewer fouls than a team they never played. Try explaining that one at a pub. This isn't a one-off gimmick either. The 2026 tournament is the first time the World Cup has run at this size. 48 teams, 104 games, the whole format reshaped to fit, which means this third-place mechanism isn't a footnote anymore. It's load-bearing. Every group stage match you watch this summer is quietly doing double duty, deciding its own group and feeding into a giant league table of best losers running in the background. So here's the whole idea, compressed. Finishing third in your group used to mean elimination. Now it means waiting. 8 of the 12 third-place teams get ranked against each other on points, then goal difference, then goals, then fair play, and the best 8 slide through to the knockout rounds. Your group decides your starting position. The rest of the tournament decides whether that's enough. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.